Air filter replacement on a Mark 8 Transit 2.2. Unplug the mass airflow meter because you don't want to damage the cable while you're trying to open the airbox. Then undo the 4 clips. There are 2 at the front, one on the left, one on the right. The one on the right's a bit awkward, you've got to reach under the air duct. Pop the old air filter out, have a look at it, make sure it's not contaminated with any water or oil or anything, because if it is, you might have a bit of a bigger problem. This one's obviously really clean, it's obviously been done recently, but customers asked us to change it, so we've popped the new one in. So you just pop the new one in, make sure he's seated correctly because it needs a seal when you do the clips up. Push the airbox back down. Make sure you get the 2 little locating lugs at the back in the right place so that he pushes down nicely, and it should drop down nice and smooth. You can then do all 4 clips back up, making sure they've secured properly. And then plug the mass airflow sensor back in, push forward the little securing tab, secure the cable, job done.